Another severe thunderstorm warning.
Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, Barrow County in north-central Georgia, Morgan County in north-central Georgia, Clark County in northeastern Georgia, Walton County in north-central Georgia, Northern Greene County in east-central Georgia, southeastern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia, northeastern Jasper County in central Georgia, southwestern Madison County in northeastern Georgia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near between Hard Labor Creek State Park to Shadydale, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Multiple trees have been reported down with this storm. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winder, Monroe, Jefferson, Madison, Greensboro, Jefferson, Madison, Greensboro, Watsonville, Stapleton, Union, Burbank, Crawford, Rutledge, North Bethlehem, and Colbert. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember